Hey everybody, Scott here. Wanted to show you this stainless steel KitchenAid bowl that we got for our KitchenAid mixer to be able to have an extra one. So obviously this is the box it comes in, and we'll go ahead and take it out of here. Alright, so I got it out of the box. You can see one nice feature about this is it's got a handle right here, as you can see on the side, and then it's got these ridges on the bottom here to be able to snap into the KitchenAid mixer here in the bottom, so it stays when you're mixing up stuff. So we'll go ahead and put it in there and show you that it fits. Alright, so I got it in my KitchenAid mixer here, and then as I mentioned, it does fit in the bottom here, so I just turn it to lock it in, so it's locked in there, so we can use it with the mixer when we turn it on. And then, here's the inside of the bowl. And like I said before, this is kind of one of the features. One of the reasons we bought it was because of this this handle right here. So just wanted to show you this real quick to show you it does fit in our standard KitchenAid mixer. So that's about it. Look forward to using it.